Food and drink are the most important two things we rely on every single day. Go Foods Global has dozens of quick preparation meals for people on the go. That's right, food you can use every day. It tastes fantastic and prepares in minutes. Southwestern tortilla soup, Maui chicken with ginger rice, and even a creamy Tuscan pasta with sun-dried tomatoes are just a few of the mouth-watering entrees you and your family can enjoy the very day you receive your Go Foods order. Our products are also made with an extended shelf life, so you never have to worry about expiration dates. When it's time to quench your thirst, grab a bottle of water, rip and tip one of our amazing stick-pack beverages, and feel your mouth come alive. Extraordinary flavors, on-the-go convenience, and ease of use makes Go Foods the industry leader for the 21st century. Go Foods, the ultimate do-anything, go-anywhere food. Serve it, save it, share it, and feed your freedom today with Go Foods.